A very good morning to all of my students. I am Richa God from Quick Maths. Today we will start exercise 13.3, question number 1. Diameter of a base of a cone is 10.5 centimeter. Its slant height is 10 centimeter. Find its curved surface area. First of all, he is asking about the cone. So what is right circular cone? This one is right circular cone. Now, this is R and this one is height and this is the slant height. L is the slant height. Now, how it comes? The curved surface area, it will be pi r L. The formula of curved surface area is pi r L. ये pi r L कैसे आया हमारे पास, ये भी हम थोड़ा सा देख लेते हैं. When we open this cone, it will be of the form, write this. अगर हम इस कोन को खोलेंगे तो ये लगभग ऐसा दिखाई देगा. इसके अंदर दिस इज द सेंटर O. नाउ सपोज दिस इज द slant height and this is the base. Now this is the base B1. For this slant height, as radius of circle is same, so everywhere in this circle L is the radius. Suppose this is the base. For this one, this is the base 3 1. नाउ दीज आर द ट्राइंगल्स. इस सर्कल के अंदर जब हमने इस कोन को ओपन किया तो हमारे पास वेरियस ट्राइंगल्स आर बीइंग फॉर्म्ड. सो इन दिस ट्राइंगल इफ वी मेजर द एरिया, देन व्हाट इज द सरफेस एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल? इट इज हाफ base into height. It is the surface area of triangle. So here what is the base? Base is B1 and what is the height? Height is L. For first triangle, the base is B1 and height is L. Similarly, for second triangle, the base is B2 but height is same L. So for the complete circle, if we add the surface area of all the triangles, it will be the surface area of complete circle. So the surface area of complete circle means this cone, it is of shape of cone, it will be half common, L common, but B1 plus B2 plus B3 and so on. This is the सरफेस एरिया ऑफ कोन. जब हम इन सभी ट्राइंगल्स का सरफेस एरिया ऐड करेंगे तभी हमें सरफेस एरिया पूरे कोन का मिलेगा. तो इन सभी ट्राइंगल्स में L सेम है, हर जगह रेडियस क्या है L, लेकिन बेस जो है वो डिफरेंट है. बेसिस आर B1 B2 B3 अप टू Bn. तो बेसिस आर डिफरेंट, सो वी विल ऐड देम. सो इट विल बी हाफ इनटू L. if we look at the bases, then the complete base will create circumference. जो ये bases हैं, जब ये add करेंगे हम, when we will add these all the bases, then it will create a circumference. And what is the value of circumference? It is 2 pi r. So in bases की जगह हम क्या लिखेंगे? 2 pi r. Now we can cancel the 2 by 2. So the formula comes out to be pi r L. So it is very simple how we can obtain the formula for surface area of a cone. Just open the cone and after opening the cone there are various bases. We will convert this cone into number of triangles. In this triangle the radius is same L L L L L, but the bases are different. Bases are B1 B2 B3 and so on. So the summation of all these triangles will give the surface area of cone. So in case of surface area of cone, we will add the bases B1 B2 B3 and so on. And when we adding the bases, then the addition of bases will give the circumference, outer distance of the circle, and the circumference formula is 2 pi r. So we will put 2 pi r, 2 cancel out, surface area comes out to be pi r L. So before doing the first question of this exercise, first we should know how the surface area of this one cone has been obtained. So the curved surface area is pi r L. This is about curved surface area. What is lateral surface area? Lateral, sorry, It is lateral surface area. What is total surface area? Total surface area equals to, in this cone, this is called curved surface area, that is having a height, and this is the circle. The area of this is pi r square. So total surface area will be pi r l plus pi r square. So it is the formula for total surface area. So before starting this exercise, before doing the first question, we have now come to know that what is the formula of curved surface area, how the formula of curved surface area and total surface area have been obtained. So these are the two formulas we will use in this exercise. And the next is, just a minute, and the next main thing we should know while attempting this exercise is, what is the use of slant height here? Now, this is the slant height. So how we can calculate the slant height? Slant height is L square is equal to h square plus r square. How? It is right circular cone. It means this is 90 degree. If this is 90 degree, then this is a triangle. This is 90 degree. Then we can say this part is 90 degree. It is r, it is h, it is L. So in the cone, if it is right circular cone, it means it is having a right angle at the center, 90 degrees. So we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. According to Pythagoras, this is the hypotenuse. So hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So L square is equal to h square plus r square. So L will be h square plus r square, its under root. So these are the main things we should know while starting the exercise first question. So now I hope that it is clear to you that we will use the three formulas. First is curved surface area, that is only the area that contains height, and that is pi rl. Total surface area, it means the area that contains both circle means circle area pi r square, plus curved surface area, that is pi rl plus pi r square. And the last one is slant height. We will use this formula in this exercise. Slant height can be obtained by using Pythagoras theorem, that is L is equal to under root of h square plus r square. Now it's time to start the first question. Now in first question, he is saying that the given parameters are, first, diameter of the base of the cone, means dia is given. This is the cone and this is the base. Why it is base? Because cone is in such shape. This is the cone, this is the height, and this one is the radius. So this is height, this is slant height, this is radius. So obviously this one is the base, and he is saying diameter is given. Diameter means 10.5 centimeter is given. So we can say radius will become diameter by 2. So it will be 10.5 by 2. So it can be 5.25. This is the radius, centimeter, 5.25. Now next is slant height. Slant height means L is given. This one is slant height. I am highlighting it with white color. This is the slant height. So it is L. So L is given also. L is 10 centimeter. Now he is saying find its curved surface area, having a formula pi rl. So the curved surface area will be pi rl. So what is the pi? 22 by 7. The formula for r is, we can apply 5.25, or we can use 10.5 by 2 because it will cancel by the 7. So we can use 10.5 by 2 also. Multiply L. L is 10. Now we can cancel 2 11 the 7 1 the 7 1 the 7.35. 35 means 5 the. So it will be 11 multiply 15 by 10 into 10. 0 0 will be cancelled out. So 11 multiply 15. When we multiply the 2-digit number with 11, so it can be 1 and 5, and in between the sum of 1 and 5, that is 6. So it is 165, and it is curved surface area, so it will be written as centimeter square. So this is the curved surface area, that is 165 centimeter square, using the formula pi r L. So this is about the first question. Thank you so much.